Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to deal with your MetaMango wallet for reseller, okay? So, first time login, it will ask you for to set up a payment password. You need to set up a password that you never forget, okay? Because if you forget, we cannot reset, no one can help you. So, please enter a password that you can remember. Confirm. You will use it in all operation in your wallet, okay? So we'll show you how to activate server. Okay, here we top up just by sending us your username for top up, okay? Now for activation, go to pay for other, enter past your serial, hit search. VIPE package service is a full VIPE server plus BN plus DSTV plus Appolo, okay? VIPE Africa is for DSTV only, okay? DSTV package only. TV server is the activation of server only. Funcam, Gshare or forever. Stream service is Appolo for Funcam or Gshare or forever. Data service is for some receiver ask for a code to enter to use YouTube or other application, okay? TV server, stream server is server plus Appolo. It's combo, okay? You can activate Funcam plus Appolo or Gshare plus Appolo or forever plus Appolo, okay? Now we try to activate a TV server for 1 month, okay? In this situation is Funcam, okay? Confirm payment. Here you need to enter your payment password that you set up first time login, okay? It's done now, okay? Now click back, okay? It will be shown in my order. So now how to cancel payment, okay? So now go to my order, okay? Search for serial you want to cancel. Here, like here, hit cancel. You have only 10 time cancel operation in 1 month, okay? Each month you have 10 time opportunity to cancel, okay? Hit confirm, cancel, hit confirm, it's refunded. When you return to your balance, you find it return, okay? Was 9, now after cancel money will return to your balance. So now we go to profit, okay? Cashback, okay? So when we activate it, we get 0.2 profit for this activation. Time you pass, you cross the 5 coin, you can withdraw, but withdraw will be held on each 5th days of the next month, okay? So we are in March, you can withdraw your money in April, 5th April. We take an example in another account. Okay, we go to profit, go to unsettlement, click on unsettlement. Okay, so here it's not settled, so we need to choose, check this and tip confirm. When you confirm, look, it will be added to the total. Okay, the total balance here. So done. When we return to profit record, we find unsettlement 0. It's already settled.